Robert Dolan coming to you from Dolan Homes in Carteret, New Jersey. Today we want to show you a beautiful new manufactured home built by Redmond Homes in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, a division of Champion Homes. This home will be available for purchase on April the 30th of this year. So we want to give you a little preview of this house today. We are showing you a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home. This house is built in the factory in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. And what I want to highlight for you are some of the upgrades that we put in our homes. Number one, let's focus on the kitchen, because the kitchen is really the masterpiece of the house. What we do in our homes is, first of all, we upgrade the cabinets. So these cabinets are all hardwood oak cabinet doors and frames and trim. This is what we call Canoe Birch. This Canoe Birch cabinet has adjustable shelves, which we've also optioned in. So there's a shelf here that's adjustable. After the cabinetry, you'll notice that we put a glass tile backsplash in the kitchen, which gives it a really nice look. If you also notice in this house has what we call our 4 appliance package. You have a microwave oven, which has a light and an exhaust fan. We have a gas cooktop, gas oven. We also have a dishwasher. And this particular model has the side-by-side 22 cubic foot refrigerator with ice maker and water dispenser in the door. Now this whole package is all stainless steel. And this stainless steel package we put with what we call our farm sink. So this is an option that we put in all our homes. It's a stainless steel farm sink with the gooseneck faucet. This farm sink has these accessories, which is a cutting board. It has this, a little drawer here, I guess, for rinsing vegetables. And then at the bottom it has a stainless steel grill protector to protect the finish on the base of the sink. So the other thing that we do in our homes is we don't do any carpeting. So we put vinyl floor throughout the entire house. This gives the customer the availability of using area rugs if they want to. They could also use this floor as the beginning stage. If they wanted to put hardwood floor or laminate floor in, you can go right over top of this. The great thing about this vinyl floor throughout the entire house is it waterproofs the floor. It also gives a nice clean appearance, and for a lot of people who are hypoallergenic to carpeting, you don't have to worry about taking out carpet and putting in flooring. In this house we have our drywall package. That drywall package is in the living room, in the kitchen, and the hallway. In the both bedrooms, which we'll show you a little bit later, it is a 3/8 drywall product that has vinyl wallpaper on it already. That vinyl wallpaper is on the bedrooms, and it's also in the bathroom, which is what we call the wet area. So let me take you over here to this utility area. This utility area is set up, once again, we upgrade, we put the double cabinets in. These match the kitchen, the Canoe Birch, all wood. And then up in here there's a little rod for hanging clothes as you're drying them. It's pre-set up with the dryer vent, a electric outlet for a 220 watt amp dryer, and all the plumbing is set up. Your drain line, hot and cold, for the hookup for the washer. So everybody asks the question, what washer dryer fits here? This will take a standard size side-by-side washer and dryer. And right here on this description, it will take an appliance that has a depth of 27 inches. So you don't need an apartment style washer dryer, a standard washer and dryer fit here. What I'm not 100% sure on is they have those washers and dryers that sit on top of drawers. I don't know how high they come, but that's something you'd have to check for yourself. But it's a standard size side by side. After you come out of your utility area, this bathroom is set up. We option in the transom window. That brings natural light in here. That window does not open because there's an exhaust fan in here. So when you're taking a shower, you have the exhaust fan on and it's going to take any condensation out of the room. The tub is a one-piece fiberglass tub. That tub is not acrylic, which a lot of manufacturers use acrylic, or they use a multi-piece tub. It's all one piece. We have our higher countertop for your vanity. We use a porcelain sink, not plastic. We use a single lever faucet instead of the dual lever, so this is better. And once again, I mentioned the paper. So this is vinyl paper right on the sheetrock. And then coming into the back, this is the rear bedroom. Every bedroom is going to have a closet. We upgrade bypass doors. Normally you'd have a single door that opens like this. But we use a bypass door because it gives you more usable floor space. So you don't have to worry about a door opening into the room, which would reduce your floor space. This area here is another option that we put in. This is where the water heater is. This is a 40-gallon electric water heater. And this water heater, we add this water heater access door. Normally, this is closed off with a panel. In order to get to the water heater, you have to go through the closet. We don't think that that's a good way of doing it, so we put a residential door on here so you can access your water heater. The water heater is also sitting on a drain pan. That drain pan drains down through the floor. In the event that the water heater were to leak, it has a residential drain pan. We do recessed lights in our house. So these are recessed LED lights. There's no need for light bulbs. We do recessed lights wherever we can. In the kitchen dining area, there's normally a chandelier from what we used to do 3 or 4 years ago. We eliminated the chandelier and we put a recessed light. So right here is where your table would go. You have a light above it, you have recessed lights above the cabinetry. So once again, the focus is recessed lights are more appealing. We also show that the recessed lights are LED, so they don't have to be changed, and they're more energy efficient. Back here in this compartment is the 100 amp electric service. Everything's marked in the breaker panel. So this house has 100 amp electric service. There's no need to go any higher than 100 amp because of the fact that we're using a gas range and we're using a gas furnace. So let's go up here into the living room. This is where the furnace is. This furnace compartment houses our 85,000 BTU furnace. This is a direct vent Miller furnace, so it's a higher efficient furnace than normal. So it's a 90% efficiency furnace. Standard furnace is only 80%. So this is a great furnace. Getting to the energy reason that we're using an energy efficient furnace is because this house is built to the Energy Star standard. So because of the fact that we put in this furnace, we upgraded the insulation throughout the whole house. The house already comes with insulated windows, thermopane windows. We have an insulated door, and all the ductwork for the heating and air conditioning is sealed ductwork. Because of that, it qualifies for energy efficiency. Energy efficiency on your side as a customer is going to save you money in the long run for your utility bills. And then up at this end we have another bedroom. This is a smaller bedroom. This is our smaller 2-bedroom model. Once again, we use the bypass doors. Now there are some times when we build this house, which we are building, another closet. So we are building a house to deliver sometime in June or July. It's the same square footage as this house, however we made it into a 1-bedroom. We eliminated this bedroom, put this extra space into the back bedroom because it's an older couple who has special needs with regard to mobility, and they wanted a larger bedroom, so we were able to do that. This is a very popular model for a lot of our buyers because you have a separate bedroom. This room can be used as a computer room, your man cave, a sewing room, whatever you want to do with it. In addition to having it as a guest room if somebody's going to be coming to visit. So this is a very popular model. We've already sold 2 of them. We have 1 left. This will be able to, you can be able to see this house and purchase it around the end of April, around April 30th. In addition to this model, we just are in the process of putting together a larger house, same square footage, same layout, just larger. Larger bedrooms, larger living room, the kitchen will be identical. So we have a lot to offer this coming season. We have homes coming in spring, summer, and fall. So we encourage you to contact us. Go to our website, myhomeincarteret.com, myhomeinedison.com, dolanhomes.com. You can go to any of those websites, and on those websites, there'll be a Get Started tab. It'll explain to you the whole procedure that we have, how you can make your application, how you can contact us with our 15 pre-qualifying questions. Those questions are so important because it helps us understand our customer and helps us to direct you to the best house possible for you. We have a lot of people that have been contacting us during this COVID period, a lot of people who want to see homes, and we have set up a procedure through our websites where you can go fill out the questionnaire. We'll help you determine whether or not we have a house to meet your needs. Once we determine that, you can then actually schedule your own appointment to come see these homes. We'll open the doors for you. You can take your time and walk through the house. There's no contact with us because of COVID. We're social distancing, but we're allowing our customers to come through all of our homes. And then we also will have the ability for you to make your application to the community right online. You'll be able to fill that all out, send everything to us electronically, pay for the application electronically, and within 2 weeks hear back from us whether or not your application has been approved. Once you meet the approval process, we can then direct you to financing if you need financing. But we're here to serve you as our customer. We're here to be the best source for you for affordable homes, and you'll understand the true value and the importance of energy efficiency, quality construction, good layout of design, as well as a well-kept and maintained community. So our focus is really on the customer, providing them with the best that we can provide them with. We can't meet everybody's needs. If there's 100 people, we try to meet the needs of 100 people. But sometimes we fall short. And it's our goal to try and always improve our product and try and be the best in our industry, providing the best house for our customer. So we invite you to contact us through our website, contact us through email, and we'd be happy to get back to you. So once again, we look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.